Let me show you how to create a YouTube banner in Photoshop. Create a new document, set width to 2560 and height to 1440. Check artboards and name your document. Click create. This blank canvas pops up. Now create a rectangle and set the width to 1546 pixels by 423 pixels. Once done, click OK and place the shape at the center of the canvas. With rulers enabled, place guides at the top, bottom, and sides of the shape that you just created. This central part can show on all devices, including mobile, desktop, and tablet. However, the sides can only show on a desktop. The top part, however, can only show on TV. Now I'll add another smaller rectangle to the middle of the artboard. This is where I'll be positioning the different elements that I need to be displayed in my banner. I prefer rounded edges, so I'll round them like so. Then I'll add a circle and position it to the end of this rectangle. Holding Shift makes the circle perfect. Now I'll just add an image and remove the background. Go to Select, Subject, and then hold down Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a copy. Scale it down and reposition it within the circle. Now duplicate the image and clip the lower one to the circle you created. Now add a layer mask to the one at the top. With black as the foreground color, mask the lower part of the top image. Now I notice that my circle still has a stroke. Remove it. Keep refining your design as needed. Now I'll bring in my logo from Adobe Illustrator. Then I'll place it as a smart object in the middle of my design. Hold down Alt and Shift while scaling so that it scales proportionately. Now using the line tool, I'll just add a line below the logo so that I may add some additional information at the bottom part. I'll just speed it up as I add the remaining details of this banner. As I mentioned earlier, the top part and the bottom part will only be visible on TV. So to recap, place your designs, the most critical elements, in the safe area, which is the 1546 width and 423 height, placed at the center of your artboard. But note that the desktop can view the entire width of 2560, which is the maximum width that is allowed for YouTube banners.